Hi friends, what's up? This is Arcade from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Wi-Fi not working issues in iOS 15 on iPhone and iPad. Just in case Wi-Fi is not working on your iPhone or iPad and you are wondering how to fix the problem, this video is for you. That all being said, let's cut the chase. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, I would recommend you to turn off Wi-Fi and then restart your device. Once your device has restarted, go back to the settings and then turn on Wi-Fi. After that, try to browse the web or watch any video just to find out if Wi-Fi has started to work normally. If it has, then you are good to go. Next up, I would recommend you to forget the network and then reconnect to it. To get it done, open the Settings app and then tap Wi-Fi. After that, you have to tap on the I button located right next to the Wi-Fi network, and then you have to tap Forget this network and confirm the action. After that, reconnect to the network. Next up, I would recommend you to reset the network settings. While this may be a radical solution, it has got the knack of fixing complex network-related issues. Therefore, it deserves to be given a try. Just in case you are wondering whether it will delete any media or data on your iOS or iPadOS device, I will assure you that it doesn't delete any media or data. Therefore, you should give it a try without any worry. To get it done, open the Settings app and then choose General. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, you have to tap Reset and then you have to choose Reset Network Settings and confirm the action. Finally, it's time to update the software. If none of the tricks mentioned in this video has worked in fixing the Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone or iPad, I guess the problem could be due to a miscellaneous software bug, and in this case you should try to update the software. More often than not, Apple releases software updates with plenty of bug fixes and performance enhancements. That's why it's always recommended to keep the software updated to the latest version. To get it done, open the Settings app and then choose General. After that, tap Software Update and finally download and install the latest version of iOS or iPadOS on your iPhone or iPad. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you have got the better of the Wi-Fi issues on your iOS or iPadOS device. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.